Good morning, students. I am Anne Mary, and today we are going to do article writing. So, article writing is a very important topic comes in your writing section, and it fetches lots of marks because it has a high weightage of 10 marks. So, generally, an article writing question comes in 10 marks. So, you have to write an article in about 150 words, and the format of an article is very easy. The only thing you have to keep it in mind is the uses of proper vocabulary and grammar. So let's see how to write an article. It's a PowerPoint presentation, topic articles, class 9, prepared by Anne Mary Singh, Army Public School, Rani Khet. So let's start article writing. Introduction. An article may be defined as a piece of writing complete in itself in a newspaper, magazine, etc. Why write articles? It may be for the purpose of propagating the news, research results, academic analysis of debate. A news article discusses current or recent news of either general interest or of a specific topic, that is, political or trade news magazine. A news article includes accounts of eyewitness to the happening event. It contains photographs, accounts, statistics, graphs, recollections, interviews, debates on the topic, etc. The writer also gives facts and detailed information following answers to general questions like who, what, when, where, why, and how. Characteristics of well written articles. Article is usually on a well defined topic or topics that are related in some way. The writer is objective and shows all sides of an issue. The sources are identified and are reliable. Show, then tell. Keep it short and sweet. Steps to write an effective article. Firstly, collection of material. You can write only when you know the subject matter. For this purpose, it is essential that you read widely. Have you keen power of observation and write down from your own experience. Think over the topic and jot down the points that come to your mind. Second is arrangement of material. When you have collected the material, divide it under different headings. Arrange the points in logical order. The different ideas should be collected under its proper heading and avoid repetition. Now, writing the article. Devote one paragraph to each main heading. See that the paragraphs are related to one another. A paragraph should talk of one main heading only. All other ideas expressed in the paragraph should be related to the main idea. Elements of an article. Headline. It is the text at the top of a newspaper article indicating the nature of the article. The headline catches the attention of the reader and relates well to the topic. Byline. A byline gives the name and often the position of the writer at the beginning of an article. At the beginning of an article means before the body or before the introduction. Now, recap structure. We'll start with the headline, byline, first paragraph. Now we have three paragraphs here. First paragraph, second paragraph and third paragraph. It means that these three paragraphs are the introduction of the title or an article. First paragraph, who, what, where, when and why. Second paragraph, elaborate information on one of the 5 WAs if it's the most relevant. In third paragraph to fifth, it depends upon you, that means how many paragraphs you want to write an introduction. Usually the quotes from sources and elaborate information on the other 5 WS and how, with more quotes and also summarize other relevant information. Then comes body. Details and elaboration are evident in the body and flow smoothly from the lead. Quotes are used to add interest and support to the story. And the last is conclusion. This must remind the reader why the article was written. The writer should use the argument made for the need for the article to present the case that this is why they have done. Now, quick tips. Choose words and phrases carefully so that they exactly express your ideas. Do not use unnecessary words. Be brief. Avoid repetition and padding. Frame short, simple, and idiomatic sentences. Be clear in what you write. Be natural. Do not imitate other writers. Express your own ideas in your own style. Now, here we have one sample article. Situation is given. You are Astha Avasthi. You have been asked by your teacher to write an article on the topic what is ailing our tourism. So we can see here we have started with title what is ailing our tourism. Just after the title, byline is there in which I already told you that you have to write your name, a person who is writing an article. His or her name will come by Astha Avasthi. Now, introductory paragraph. This is the first paragraph in which I told you that it depends upon you that how many paragraphs you are including in your article, means in your introduction. Then comes middle paragraph, which you call it body, and the last is concluding paragraph. Now, I hope you understood the format. Please note down the sample article and keep practicing. Thank you.